Hey, what's up, guys? I got a little video here about surviving trading in the long run, right? So I got my notes out so I can spill some information for you guys. And I got a little PowerPoint, so shall we get into it? Yeah, right then. Basically, how are we going to survive trading? Because trust me, it's going to take a few years until you can actually rely on trading. So, let's get into step one, shall we? Step one is to get a job. Because what is a job? A job is income. And trading for the first few years for you guys, what is it? Negative income. So you need something to hedge against your trading. In this case, you get a job. So you get income from any means, right? Side hustle, job, part-time, whatever. It's how everything starts. It's to fund expenses while you're making nothing from trading. Because you got to live, guys. You got to live. You got things to pay for, right? Also, it's useful to have money coming in monthly because you're gonna probably be throwing it away monthly. And once you get a job, that's step one. Step 1.2 comes around, and you gotta control thy expenditures, right? From the richest man in Babylon, this is where I got this from. The lesson is to budget, right? And the man in the story tells a little story about this egg and basket, right? He tells people if you put 10 eggs in a basket and take out 9 every day, and you do that every day, at some point you will be overflowing with eggs in the basket, right? And that's basically saving money, right? Put 10 coins in, take 9 out, you'll be flooding with coins. So, how do we do this? We budget. We budget the income we get from our step 1 job, right? So this is how I budget personally. I go 40% wants. So what I mean by wants is wants and needs, right? Everything. So it goes from literally my phone bill, you know, all the way till those random pair of sunglasses I wanted. Because why not, right? I live off everything in my 40%. And 40% goes to goals. And what I mean by goals is reinvesting in me as a business, right? So I want to spend money on acquiring new skills, spend money on my business, trading. So, this is where the portion of money that I use to fund my trading, trading account, if I want to buy proprietary trading firm challenges, if I want to buy a book to further enhance my education, I will use my goals budget to buy them books, etc., etc., or courses, anything. That's where that 40% goes into. 40% goals, right? You want to have quite a meaty part of your budget towards you, investing in your business, right? This is what you do. 20% savings. And because, you know, you need money, and trading is going to take money away from you, so you need to build yourself an emergency fail-safe, right? So I'd like to build, like, 6 months worth of expenses at least minimum, because in case I do lose my main income, which is the job first, before I start trading, I've got something to fall back on, right? And it keeps the pressure off trading as well. You're not too focused on the money, keeps your mindset right. And it's good to, yeah, it will ease off your trading, and it'll be good when you eventually do quit your job, right? Because you've got that fail safe. Because the income in trading is not always guaranteed, guys. Also, you can build yourself capital trade through the 40% of goals you're budgeting. And, instead of having a £20 trading account, which is what I started with, you can have a substantial amount in your trading account at some point if you keep following this budget month in, month out. So, yeah, budget your income. Right now, step 2 that you have to learn before you earn, guys. So, yes, it is important to have a trading strategy. Everyone needs a trading strategy. But first, you want to learn risk management. I'm grateful I learned risk management in the demo phases because when I transitioned to live, I didn't lose that much money. But if you learn risk management, that income you get from your job, you won't be throwing it all away into the markets because you're risking small and you are yeah, you've got a game plan with your money, you know? Job as a trader is to protect capital first before you make money. So, yeah, you need to implement implement a risk management plan and work on your psychology, right? Psychology will keep you in the game long enough just until you reach that success threshold, right? So, yeah, get a strategy, guys, and then really nail down the risk management and the psychology of it, right? And that is where the real work is, right? Optimizing your head, optimizing your brain, your mind, because you're probably going to spend more time trying to figure this out than any strategy. It doesn't take that long to learn a strategy, guys. It literally takes less than a week if you're really like if you're just a normal person. But yeah, you got to review, reflect, reiterate, and then optimize your trading plan, guys, right? It's going to take time because you need to collect data. So what you do is just trade your system over a long period of time, get the data while you get your income coming in, and then you can survive, stay afloat until you get your data, optimize until you can start seeing improvement in your trading, and then you can scale up, guys, which is the next way. You scale up. Once you've done the work, once you got, seeing start profits coming in, you scale up, right? And there's different ways to scale up. I've listed a few. You can increase your personal capital through your income since you've been budgeting 40% for goals. That's where you can take some and increase your size, right? Because let's be real, you're going to probably be doing this for like a couple of years, so you're going to build a substantial amount of capital from 40% of your income. If you've been spunking it all on courses, then that's on you. You shouldn't be hopping from course to course, so you should have a decent amount in your income, 40% for your goals, right? To scale up. Or you can use that 40% to go for a prop from funding. That's great. Also, you could just build a track record and then catch investors' eyes, really. And again, to build a great track record, you need a bit of time to do it. And once you've done that, once you've had your job, once you get your income budget, truly learn after a couple of years while sustaining yourself with a job, scaling up until you get to a point where you've scaled up enough to live off the income of trading. That's when you can truly live your life. Get rid of your boss. Who needs a boss, right? Be your own boss. And then live your life, guys. It's good fun. Good fun. And then, yeah, that's how you stay in the game for long enough. And you need to have set realistic time expectations because you ain't going to make it in 6 months, guys. I can tell you that. You might have to find a job you like because guess what? You're going to be in it for a long time, guys. And yes, I know it sucks, but hey, that's the reality of it, guys. But yeah, as long as you guys, stick at it, are consistent, and don't deviate from the plan, I can guarantee you that one day you will be able to live off trading, guys, and that's how you survive the trading game. Because majority of people quit after literally just a year of trading, and they're like, "Oh, it's not for me. Hasn't been working." They quit and they leave, and then that's where you get the 90 million different percent stats of people losing, people failing at trading, people not making money at trading. But yeah, everyone's gonna lose money at trading. Realistically, 100% lose money in trading. That's how every trader operates. Every trader is gonna incur losses, and definitely in the beginning, guys. So hopefully you find this video entertaining slash informative, really. But yeah, no, take some of these points into your own life if you want to. If you guys got a different setup, if you have unlimited amount of money in your bank account and you are trying to learn to trade, you don't need a job. It's all really context dependent, but this is what I'm doing, guys. So yeah, take whatever you need to get, and peace, guys.